This video is about calibrating the airway module associated with the CureScape R860 ventilator, specifically the E-sCOVX airway module. After watching the video, the viewer should be able to identify indications for airway module calibration, identify components needed for airway module calibration, perform the airway module calibration, and make adjustments to the measured values. One of the indications for airway module calibration is if you have continuous airway module error alarms. One should first try to troubleshoot the alarm by looking at the gas sampling line. It may be occluded by water or the water trap itself. The other indication for airway module calibration that it has met its calibration date, which is every 2 months. What you'll need is calibration gas. Use only GE Healthcare authorized calibration gas. Do not use other calibration gases or the calibration will not be successful. Check the label and the reference number. For the US, the number should be 755587. That's the correct calibration gas. And also check the gas mixture. You will also need a gas sampling line, the correct regulator, and of course, the airway module. Attach the regulator to the calibration gas cylinder. Also check the regulator to make sure that there's enough pressure in the tank. From the standby screen, select the menu key on the top left-hand portion of the touch screen. Under Menu, select System. Under the Systems tab, you notice Calibrations. You have a choice between airway module and auxiliary pressure. When the airway module is in line, it will show the last date and time the airway module was calibrated. Select Airway Module next to Calibrations. Follow the calibration instructions on the display. Notice that the Start button is currently grayed out. It will be grayed out if the airway module has not had time to warm up. After the airway module is warmed up, the Start button will become green. Select the Start key to start the airway module calibration. The first part is the zeroing of the airway module. After the airway module zeros, the ventilator will ask you to feed the calibration gas. At this time, attach the gas sampling line to the airway module water trap and to the regulator. Turn the regulator on to feed the gas by pushing the pin to the 1 position. Feed the calibration gas until the message OK or Adjust displays on the screen. If adjustments are needed, first select the gas to be adjusted. Use the trim knob to change the value until it matches the calibration gas cylinder value. Push the trim knob to confirm the change. And repeat for each gas requiring adjustment. Then select OK to exit.